How to disable calls on Snapchat. Let's see in this video. Before getting started, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for more updates from us. Now let's get into the video. First of all, you need to open up your Snapchat application and make sure to log into your account. Once you are logged in, you'll be able to see the home page or the interface from where you can take the snap of anything. In order to disable calls, you need to first select the person of whom you want to disable the call. For that, you have to go to your chat list. You can swipe to left for seeing your chat list. Here are the chat list and your friends. So you have to select a person from over here. Once you select, you have to press and hold the person and you'll be able to see the chat settings over here. Simply go for that. Under that, there is a message notifications option which you have to turn off. By doing that, all of the notification of the message and calls he has done won't be shown on your screen, or you won't get any notification of the message and calls, which means just like disabling calls. So by doing that, you'll be able to solve your problem. So I hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to our channel for more updates from us. Thanks for watching.